Myself is Sanjay Gadesaria. I have a diploma chemical engineering background. We are a pharmaceutical company having specialization in the manufacturing of gynec range of products, especially the IVF and male-female sex hormones. The facility is located in Gujarat. The plant is based between Surat and Ankleshwar at Kosamba, and it's a dedicated hormone facility. We have started our construction of the facility in 2017 and we completed by 2021. The facility has recently got all the regulatory approvals. That is, we are in process of getting the approvals for the regulatory market. At the moment, we have got the GMP from Kenya, Nigeria, Cambodia, and Yemen, and we look forward in serving the quality products to our clients. IPHEX is a place where we find all the buyers and sellers, and it's a very good platform where in a single day or 2 or 3 days you meet the maximum number of people. It's a very good platform for getting your partners closest to you. Thank you.